Hi everyone, we are coming to you from the Zulily headquarters this morning with 3 standout Valentine's Day boxes for you to make with your little ones at home. On Zulily, we have something unique and special every day that you can find, so make sure to check us out online. You can find us through the link in this post. And I am Shelby. I am coming to you from our marketing team at Zulily, and I've brought my mom, Julie.
Hi, good
She
morning.
is an expert in all things DIY and home decor, and she is going to be showing us how to make these fun boxes today.
We're excited to be here. We're spreading a little love for the month of
Oh, yes.
February. So we're going to show you some really fun, quick ideas for you to do at home with the kids. We brought nice 3 different ideas for you to choose from. Shelby, we're going to get you started.
Yeah.
This one is the real cute and easy donut box.
Oh, I love donuts.
So all we've done is taken some 12 by 12 cardstock, and I've used a dinner plate to go ahead and trace out the size that you're going to need for your box. Kind of look around in your cupboard, see what size plates you have, and you'll determine what you need. We used the box that we picked up to cover. You can also use boxes out of the garage, but go ahead and get them traced and cut them out. We've done that for you. Shelby, I'm going to have you add some pieces
And
to
before we start, what size boxes can we use? Are there certain shapes for the donuts? Because donuts, as we all know, are circle.
So mine was just a 12-inch plate that I used at home. We used a small rectangular box that we purchased at a craft store. Look and see what you have around, or go ahead and purchase what you can. You can use square, circle. We've got a circle box we use too, so
Yes.
this is real cute.
So I'll trade you here, and then we can start decorating the circle box.
Alrighty, here you go.
And this is like a hat box. You can find it in craft supplies, or you can use a square box.
Yeah,
rectangle.
and what we've done is just taken a glass from the cupboard and laid it on top and traced the circle. Then go ahead and get some scissors or cutting tools that is appropriate for, of course, the ages you're working with.
And for the frosting, you can see I cut this one out, and it doesn't have to be perfect because frosting never is.
No, you smear it all over, so it's good. And these are just some strips, Shelby, that I cut for you.
Okay, so I can take these.
So working with your kids at home or yourselves, you can also use stickers or cut out hearts, or you can add rhinestones if they're really into the blingy stuff.
And I'm just cutting these in about an inch for the sprinkles.
Yeah, just an inch.
Maybe a half inch.
Let them have fun. Go ahead and glue them all over. Add what you have. It's just a cute way to get them involved in getting this done. Of course, you might have to do some of the cutting on the box, but this is the part where they really get into it. Adding all the fun little details for their classroom.
You could even take like pearl little stickers to put in as sprinkles.
Yeah, that'd be very cute, and the rhinestones.
This would definitely be the box I would have made growing up in elementary
and it would
school.
have been filled with donuts.
And you can just
Valentines.
and you just pop the Valentines in there.
Yeah. So you just pop them in there. And a lot of the kids, they do them on top of the tabletops now. They also hang them on the back of the chairs. So we've come up with another idea. This is so cute. It's a little
Unicorn.
How cute is this unicorn?
And all the kids love unicorns these days. Am I right?
Yeah. So this is made just with your paper plates, and we went ahead and cut it real quick. So basic paper plate, you guys, and I just cut a quarter off the top. You can see that. Keep the remainder of the top because you'll cut the little ears, which I've done ahead for you, to add. So Shelby, you're going to go ahead and start this. 2 ways to do this, you guys. You can either use a stapler or you can get out your hot glue. I like to do it with the kids with staplers just because a little bit safer, especially if you're working with your preschoolers. Do you want some help?
I think I got it.
So
finally.
Go ahead and staple all the way around. And then when Shelby's done, we'll talk about, we just added some ribbon at the top. We've cut out this cute little horn. You can choose any tone of paper color that you want for yellow. And then we punched out a whole bunch of the flowers, Shelby, that you can add too.
And so basically you're just gonna glue the horn on in the center. Do we have ears?
Yeah, they're right here for you.
Perfect.
So you're gonna glue those on.
And then you just put the ears right next to it. And as you can see on my mom's original design, then you can just glue the flowers right in the center.
And then we just took a Sharpie and drew the little eyelashes and the nose.
And that will be the kids' favorite part of this design, is drawing on the face of the unicorn.
And these types, they hang from the chair. And again, they can all walk around. They drop their little Valentines in. It's really cute.
Yes. And before we get on to the next box, we'd love to hear some of the fun Valentine's boxes you've made with your kids in the past. So make sure you send us a little comment sharing below, because we always love hearing new ideas.
Yeah, let us know what you're doing and the things that your kids like to put together. So our third and final one is a really cute box. We've taken just a Kleenex box that we picked up and a couple ways to cover that. We tried 3 different ways. You can choose what works best with your age group that your kids are. But we spray painted this box black. We also covered the box here with just construction paper in yellow. So there's a few ways to do that.
And the great thing about this box is everyone has a Kleenex box around the house.
They do.
So super easy to make with your kids, and kids love emojis.
Yeah, they do. And so cutting out some circles, we just cut out some circles, Shelby. If you want to try
make a little face. I think that I might make the cute little smiley face.
So just quickly take your Sharpie or pens and have them draw a face. And then I just punched out a couple hearts. And I know there's so many different emoji faces that I'm sure that they can even come up with some real clever type ones.
I'm sure theirs would be way more fun than mine.
No, it's looking cute. It's looking adorable. And
this is the emoji I use in my text messages the most.
Okay, that's cute.
And then you can just glue the little hearts on like this.
Yeah, we've done, as you can see over here, we have a whole bunch of different ones. And you just go ahead and glue them to the box, and there you have another
You would glue it right on there. Super easy. So share with us which one of these boxes you would make with your kids, or what one would be their favorite. We always love to hear those things.
Yeah, we're so glad you joined us. We're loving to spread the love.
We are. We're spreading the love this Valentine's Day. Thanks so much for joining us. We always love sharing our projects with you, and we'd love to see what you end up making. Make sure to tune back again for more fun DIY and crafts projects, and we will see you again soon.